back to another video. Today, well, we're making a helicopter. So let's go to stage 5 and make this. Some people in here, they might switch this radio. Hopefully they don't. So, I have two ideas I'm thinking about. Mini helicopter and big helicopter. We're gonna do mini helicopter. Wait. I'll be right back. I gotta pee quick. Like really bad. Guys, I am back. So I'm gonna do the actual thing first. I want the best. So this is just kind of just do my together. Worst thing that could ever happen is it's despawning. This is gonna be wait, what should this be the first? Should this be a plane or a helicopter? Actually a plane. Okay. So yeah, my idea should definitely do this. It's kind of like a seat. Wait, I'm making a seat right here. I guess just or the issue is it's kind of a plane. It's just very slow. This is a design flaw. This is weird. I honestly don't like it. Okay. How about we do this? Cockpit. Really? I'm taking some inspiration from another YouTuber. I don't really remember his name. He's like a purple cat, I think. Kind of just like me, can't lie. I'm taking a little inspiration from him. I'm not copying, I'm just taking inspiration. I don't need my house. Okay, we're doing a helicopter design here. I'm gonna take a lot of inspiration now. It's a bit of copying and inspiration. I'm just gonna stop, bro. Okay. This is really it for the thing. Pretty good, you can't lie. Look at this. I might do a tutorial. I might do a tutorial on the mod menu that he's giving me. This is pretty good.